Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Chrysler 300 without key. Start by scanning doors for mechanical key slot or spare key, then confirm ownership and VIN before action. Try non-destructive techniques first. Use a wedge and long reach tool, inspect the trunk, or try folding rear seats for access, or call roadside assistance if uncertain. Practice legal options and consult a locksmith for best results. Before you try opening a Chrysler 300 without a key, verify you own the car and have proof of ownership. Avoid any methods that could be illegal or damage the vehicle, because that creates liability and cost. If in doubt, stop and call a professional locksmith or roadside service who can provide safe, insured entry without risking your door, lock, or alarm system. They often arrive quickly and carry the right tools to prevent extra expenses. Try non-destructive entry first to protect your Chrysler 300 and avoid unnecessary repairs. Use a professional slim jim or long reach tool with a wedge to lift locks carefully, or inspect the trunk for access via folding rear seats. If the vehicle has keyless entry, check for a physical key hidden in the fob or try the valet release procedure before attempting more invasive options. Always proceed slowly and document your steps for record keeping.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.